what time does Jonoy start his day actually?
Oh, definitely 5 a.m.
Oh, no way!
Yes, because I have a dog. We have a dog.
Well, I have a dog too, but that doesn't mean 5 a.m. What?
Ginigising ako ng dog ko ng 5 a.m.
What?
So, to walk. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
very, very good naman yung lifestyle mo. Nakakainis.
Nasanay na rin yung katawan ko. So, I'm used to it.
That's even after gigs, ha? Mga ganun.
Though yung mga gigs ko lately, it's early gigs. Like, we finish at maybe 8 or 9 and then I go home.
Okay.
So, it's not too late.
Pang quote, normal na tao.
Parang
yung
ganun.
oras. Na pwede pa rin ng 5 a.m. magigising. Oh, man. Well, that makes Jonoy, better than us, I guess.
No. I think nandun na ako sa age na magwawalis sa madaling araw.
Neighbor, good morning, neighbor.
Morning, neighbor.
I get
Tipong nakikita ko yung mga, lahat ng papasok, ganun sa kalsada.
So, you're just drinking your coffee while people pass by, ganun, and you're holding the dog leash.
It's fine.
Very rural life. I love that.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.